Action cameras and remote controls. So this is the one that was sold to me by GoPro. I have a GoPro 9 and it doesn't work with it. This doesn't work with any camera. It works with the ones below 9 from 8, 7, 6, 5, but not with the camera that I bought off GoPro. So thanks GoPro for your useless tool that I didn't discover until after I had it. So no points for you. So from AliExpress I bought this one, which is really good. When it's on, it lights up, as you can see, and because I'm videoing, it flashes, so you know it's videoing. So that's really good. So you have the controls that match the buttons, so you can set time and you can take photos, or you can have your video running as the video is running now. So it's really good. Then I bought this cheaper camera off Amazon. It's in this case because it's not waterproof, unlike the GoPro. So we'll open that. It's a good little camera. Shoots, to be honest, as good as the GoPro, but the sound is not as good. So it's awkward in its own way that you have to open it up to get in at the camera, which is quite small, and as you can see, it's exposed areas, but it's a very good little camera. It comes with this remote, as do most action cameras, and this does work, but the problem is you don't know. These lights only indicate when you press a button. I'll put the camera on. So you can see it starts up, and if I press, hopefully, and that will stop it. So this works, and it will take a picture if you press this side. You can hear it there, but you've no indication. It's got these two. You'd almost think these light up, but they don't. So there you go. So this as well, on the back, you have to take the 4 screws out. It takes one of those button batteries, and the screws are a pain in the arse to take out. Well, this one, which is the spurious one from that, this actually is much better. It has a little charger that goes on, connects on these points, and you charge this USB. So this is a rechargeable battery in it.
And here it is in use. You can actually see it flashing as I'm videoing. The camera at this point is on the GoPro chest holder, and as you can see, I'm photographing a lot of my tank and clocks, which I cover in another video on using the GoPro Hero 9 and the other cheap action camera I bought from Amazon. And also you can see the other remote control, which is controlling the little camera you can see down the side, which is shooting down there. But the problem was I didn't know when I was shooting, whether I had it switched on or off, but it did work. And this is what the other camera was filming, and as you can see, I had a lovely damp day to ride on. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this little video about remote controls for action cameras. The GoPro one that I bought from AliExpress, which is a big success, and the other one which does work, but I have no idea if the camera is on or off, and sometimes I switch the camera on when I want it off, and I switch the camera off when I want it on. That's the only problem with it. Just to remind you that the red button actually was for taking photos and the grey one was taking for videos. So that's also confusing on that little remote. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you again for another video. Bye now. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.